just got to the Grand Prix track where got a good mission down in the Cube. Cars haven't pulled up yet, about 20 minutes away, but it should be a good day. Rain stopped, so I'm looking forward to it.
Let's get it. I've got don't have much to say, but yeah, pretty much that's all. Nah, it should be good. It should
Wait
be good.
around, figure out what we're actually doing.
Yeah, figure out.
We don't know where to go.
And find a toilet.
Yeah, I'm busting.
Let's do that.
Let's go.
Hey man, how you going?
Morning, how are you?
Gavin. Joel. Jack, nice to meet you. So you're the photographers? Yeah. Oh, could you do me a little favour? Just, when you take, if you do any photos, could you just let me know, just so I can suck my gut in?
Okay, yeah. All of that. Oh, fuck.
Does it feel hard?
So the cars are about to go out. We're getting our shots right next to the pit straight. That's going to be good. It's going to be really, really good. Pretty exciting. We're going to try and get in some cars a little bit later on, but in the morning, get some drone shots, get some shots out on the track. Should be good.
Up there to get like a panning shot or something.
Oh, I want to get one shot, bro. Imagine.
Yeah.
This is sick. This is actually sick. It's just funny because we're standing here today and it just makes me reminisce from the moments where we used to shoot 16th birthday parties. Unsure how much to charge. We're working with brands like Ferrari now, filming their track days. I mean, there's so much that can change in just 3-4 years if you actually put in the work. And so that's why I'm here, standing next to a bunch of Ferraris, actually putting in the work and doing what needs to be done in order to be in this position. If you're watching this unsure how to actually grow your video business, genuinely, we've done it. We've been able to obviously grow our business to work with brands like Ferrari, and this is just a message that you can do that as well. Anything that you set your mind to, you can do.
Alright, so we've come to a marshal spot, which is just like separate areas along the track where you can like go take photos and get them on like different angles of the track. As you can see, no big setups, just a compensation lens and the world's simplest camera setup.
Cheers, man. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Thank you. I'm just going to go to the mic. Thank you very much.
Done.
Enjoy the rest of your day, alright?
Will do.
Thank you. You can do it.
What am I going to say?
Just talk about how good the day's been. You know, I've had a really good day, caught up with a lot of good friends. You know, got to thrash my car around Phillip Island track.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, do you reckon you do it?
Yeah, okay.
Right, don't stress. It's not that hard. Yeah, I'm going to mic it up.
Here we are. What a great day. We've got the president, we've got the great day, guys. Ferrari Club National Rally track day.
We're just packing up the car. It's been a really, really good day, been eventful, got a lot of amazing shots. And yeah, I mean, overall, we've been able to chat with a lot of people, catch up with old people that we haven't seen in a while as well. And yeah, it's just always a good day.
I think he wrapped it up pretty well. I got nothing to add. What a day. The edit's going to be crazy. We'll put it in this video as well so you guys get to see it. So it's sick.
Yeah. It needs to be good. I'm editing, so.
Yeah.
You'll see in a sec.
It's good. It's good. Watch it.
I heard the news today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body